Okay, glasses off. Find Waldo.
Hurry up. Find him. Find him.
I'm trying. Don't yell at me.
For goodness sake, he's wearing a hat, glasses, and a red striped shirt.
I know what he looks like.
Oh, there he is. I got him.
Yes! We win again!
How could you not find him?
Because he's hard to find. If it was easy to find, the books would be called There's Waldo. 57, 58, 59. That's 1 minute.
Long division. Long division. Go, go, go.
Remember, show your work.
I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm not okay.
Get up. We can't lose in math.
37!
Yes!
Ready, set, wrestle. 1, 2, 3, pig.
Stop that. Amy, do something. Amy, help.